Here is our trade-in Tuesday 2020 Ram Rebel. Lots of upgrades on this truck. Wheel and tire package with a leveling kit. This is Ram's competition to the Ford Raptor. High horsepower, high torque, a lot of upgrades. This two-tone interior that they put in these is really nice. You got that black and red look. We'll go inside and take a look. Large infotainment screen. All your ventilation controls, heating controls, seat controls, USB ports, push button start. Really low mileage for this car. Running boards, getting in and out easily. Tow package. Factory dual exhaust. This is a really nice truck. Great color combination. The white with the gray wheels. Let me know if you have any questions here at Arrowhead BMW.